Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. Reduction in pH of blood will. Options are A. Decrease the affinity of hemoglobin with oxygen. B. Release bicarbonate ions by the liver. C. Reduce the rate of heartbeat. And D. Reduce the blood supply to the brain. Given question में हमसे पूछा जा रहा है कि जो pH है blood का अगर वो कम हो जाता है तो इनमें से क्या होगा. So basically the pH in blood, it is an important factor when it comes to the exchange of gases. So this plays an important role. जैसे ही pH कम होता है, so इससे क्या पता चलता है that there will be a high amount of bicarbonate ions the in the blood. Now, according to the Bohr's law or the Bohr's effect, lower pH की वजह से क्या होगा? There will be more delivery of oxygen by hemoglobin. Lower pH causes more delivery of oxygen by hemoglobin. So there will be the increased unloading of the oxygen by the hemoglobin. Increased unloading of oxygen by hemoglobin. Hemoglobin जो है वो हमारा respiratory pigment है which is carrying this oxygen, and this oxygen need to be given to the tissues. कि ये oxygen जो है वो tissues को जानी चाहिए. तो जब ये hemoglobin से dissociate होगी तब वो tissues के पास जाएगी. तो जैसे ही blood pH कम हो जाता है तो hemoglobin और oxygen की जो एफिनिटी है वो कम होगी एंड रेडिली ऑक्सीजन विल बी गिवन टू द टिश्यूज और इट विल बी डिसोसिएटेड. In so we can see A option here is correct. In other options B बोल रहा है that there will be a release of bicarbonate ion by the liver. So as such liver का रोल इसमें नहीं होगा, it is not involved here. And then हार्ट बीट से भी इसका कोई रोल नहीं है कि जो pH है उसका हार्ट बीट पर कोई रेगुलेशन नहीं है. And then blood supply to the brain will also not affected in case when the pH of blood is low. So the final answer of this question is option A, that says decrease the affinity of hemoglobin with oxygen. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.